DRZ 400 SM. Dr. Benny and his DRZ 400 SM. Yeah, it's at 1 mile, so the next fill up will reset it because it'll be good. But so right now, until we get the different tank, I think we're good for like 60, 80 miles. Yeah, but right around the yard, you probably go maybe a lot less. Yeah, I better warm that up. Let's go. I got my umbrella girl rocking her Suzuki shirt on for Benjamin's DRZ 400 SM. Oh, she lost her shoe. Mom and I'll be riding this bad boy. And, oh, you're just fine. But I could get a lot of the dog bones. Or what I told Benji at first is he could sit on it just a little bit. I'll raise this up a 1/4 inch, so it'll come down just a little more in the front, and it won't change anything. So I got the umbrella girl rocking one of our new scooters. Love it.